Hey everyone, it's me again and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name's Faith Grenade and I put makeup videos here on YouTube. Sometimes. And you should hit subscribe and that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. It is 5 p.m. and I'm just getting to filming. It's been that kind of day. Just to settle everyone's inevitable questions, I did get a tattoo yesterday. It's on my arm here, so if you see this murky looking, like, insect blob on my arm, that's what that is. I got a honeybee tattoo. I will be showing more of her off when she heals, but for now she is under a Sanoderm bandage, and since it's kind of wept into the bandage a little bit, she's looking a little muddy. But I'm supposed to keep this on for 3 days, but when she is fully healed, I will be showing her off a little bit more. But if you see a blob there, that's what that is. Today, once again, we have a not terribly makeup-related video, but it is a bag unbagging. It didn't really come in a box. I was shopping around with one of my friends, Crystal, last week, or this past week. What year is it? I don't even know. And I ended up picking up something from Marshalls. I am not sponsored by Marshalls or anything like that, but I did find something pretty cool. And I remember I used to do like purse or bag reviews on this channel, and you guys used to really like that, so I'm bringing it back a little bit. But I did find this at Marshalls, and there were a few others that were different patterns and things. But it is a bag, so I'm going to be talking through the bag, giving you a little tour of it, and it's going to be great, so let's do that. The bag I found was Betsey Johnson, and if there's one designer that I did not expect I would ever see in a Marshalls, it was Betsey Johnson. I do love her stuff. She's got kind of like an, not edgy, but like a different way of doing things, and her style of her designs is just so quirky and fun. I did sort of always enjoy it. It was always a little bit femme for me, but I mean, there's some stuff that she makes that I can dig into, and one of them is this bag. So they had a bunch of different bags there that were Betsey Johnson. They were all book bags, or book bag style bags, and they all had different prints on them. They were all in different colors, but this is the one I picked up, and there it is! It's got corgi heads all over it, and her logo, of course, is all on it. But it's a pretty sizable bag, as you can see. It's like a full-size book bag, really. Going on the back, you've got these satin-feeling straps with the Betsey Johnson label on the front. All of the hardware is gold, and you can see at the front here, this zipper pull has a little bow on it. It's the little things, guys. It's the little bits, little details. You've got the logo on the front here in a rhinestoned heart. And as I said, it is black with corgi heads, and all of the hardware is gold. You've got two little bottle holders on the sides here. Nice big solid zipper. And then you look inside, and it's all floral print. You see these pretty pink flowers? They remind me of some flowers that used to grow in my yard when I was a kid, but I can't remember what kind they were. This is 100% polyester, so it is fake leather, which is nice for some people who are vegan or what have you, or care about that sort of thing. But there you go, that's the inside. We've got two little pockets over here, one that looks like it's gonna hold like pencils or something, and then the other one that feels like it would be good for a cell phone. And then on the other side here, you've got a little zipper pocket right in here. Comes with a matching clutch that is attached to the bag by this clip here. It looks like you can either clip this to the outside, store it inside the bag, or carry it as a separate little entity. But it is a little pouch. It's got the same print on it as the bag itself. I can show you the little corgi heads here. I would almost have preferred corgi butts, because corgis have the most legendary butt in the animal kingdom. But if you open up the pouch, it's got the exact same print on the inside, the same like pink floral print on the inside as the bag, and it's a nice little deep clutch that you can use to store the things that you would readily need. Like I said, there were a bunch of other bags like it that had different prints on them. There was one that had cat faces on it. There was one that had pugs. There's one that had Boston Terrier heads. There was one that was just solid black with a nice big bow on the back. I thought about getting that one too, but I don't need any more bags. And then there was this one with the corgi heads. There were a few others too, but I can't really remember what they had on them. Those were the ones that just poked out to me. But yeah, these are super cute. They seem really, really well made. I like the patterning. It seems really good for like a simple outfit as more of a statement piece. And this bag at Marshall's was $35, which for a piece of Betsey Johnson merchandise is not that bad at all. I remember when her shit was like hundreds of dollars. I could see this being really handy for someone who lives in a city and who wants to, like, you know, travel around with everything they need. You've got a lot of compartments, you've got a lot of storage space. I could see using this for gigs, and for like drag performances and stuff like that, because it has enough space to fit almost everything I would need for a drag number. And it's got the little pouch on the outside, which I could store like my makeup in or my touch-up makeup in. Yeah, I could see using this for a bunch of different things, and they had a bunch of different ones there. So the next time you're in a Marshall's, keep a lookout for something like this. Like I said, the only criticism I would have of this bag is I wish that the corgi heads were like full corgi bodies, because it's kind of weird to have this like floating head phenomena thing going on. So there you go. That's the bag. Pretty quick description, but there's not a whole lot to like get into here. It's not like my other bag videos, like the one I had that was the giant disappointed emoji bag or the poop emoji bag. This is a lot more simple and a lot more straightforward, but I could definitely see using this a lot and getting some real good mileage out of it, because it feels pretty durable too. I don't know, we'll see how things go. But anyway, that's about it for me, you guys. That is my little bag introduction and mini review of this Betsey Johnson corgi backpack. In the meantime, I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt, you know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options now. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the faithful today. I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!